Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn web scraping or dynamic website using Puppeteer and the Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically web scraping is basically getting the information from any kind of the website. So we are going to do that one. So let's see how we are going to do that. So here we have the web scraping file where it is. So web scraping. Okay, so we are using the Google search. Okay, so here we require the Puppeteer, right? Then we have to create a function which name is scrap Google search results. I have created. Then here I need to pass the query. So launch, then browser, new page we have to initiate, then navigate to the Google search results page for the query. So this is the query. Okay, let me word wrap this. Okay, so here and the search query that I need to pass it in the params. Okay, next, wait for the search results to load. You may need to adjust the selector and the wait the time. Okay, so here we have to search the results and check the selector. Okay, so here we are doing that. Next, we are extract the search results from the page. After the searching of the page, whatever we search, then we will evaluate. So there is a function that is page.evaluate. First one, that is page to wait for the selector whenever we do the searching, so wait for the selector to come. Okay, after this extract the search lists from the page. Okay, so evaluate. So we are taking a first array and then check the query selector with .g. After this we are looping that one and getting the h3 and the anchor tag, that is a links. So what we are, let's have a look on that one, which is the query. And then we are pushing that all the things in the results with the title and the link. Okay, text content of the href. After that we are just returning the results. Then close the browser and return the search results. Okay, and here we have the search query. For here we are passing learn web scraping. If I just copy this one and go to my Google search, and let's have a look on that one. So here you can see I'm just do this one. If I go with the inspect element, and here I need to check each and every result. Okay, so here we go with the inspecting. So here you can see that we have an anchor tag, we have a h3, right? And we have a .g. Okay, so that's one we have. Here you can see div class is g. Okay, so what we are doing over here, you can see that first we are wait for the selector to come, that is the class is .g. Okay, in that div you can see that here this is the div, the .div. Okay, so if here we are just in this one selector, we are going to get all the h3 and the anchor tags. Okay, and then we are pushing all this title element and the link into the results. Okay, array, and then we are returning that results. At the last we are just returning the search results. Okay, here you can see that search results, right? So pushing all, then search, getting the results. Let's see we are getting that one or not. Let's go and run this one web scraping page. So save this and go to the terminal and just write web scraping. And here we go with the links. So first one is Python web scraping learn path. So if I go and check this one, that is Python web scraping learn path, and here we have the link. Okay, let's go and check this one. So this is that one. The link is the real Python learning paths Python web scraping. Let's match the URL also. So here we go with this one. So real Python learning Python web scraping. You can see the links are matching correctly. Next one is codemy. So here we go with this next one. That is this one. Here we go with this one. Okay, let's inspect this one. And here we have a h3 tag. Okay, and here we have the anchor tag. Here you can see that they haven't mentioned the URL, because here you can see that the link that we are just using, here you can see that this is the previous, this is codemy. Okay, here you can see, right? So this is the mini one. So this is how we am able to get all the href and all the h3 tags and just use it for the web scraping. Okay, with the help of this tool you can easily do the web scraping with Puppeteer. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Basically, we have to do the query selector over here. So select whatever the data you want to scrap, store it and return it. Okay, and make a and export that file in the CSV, Excel, whatever, and showcase to anybody. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.